How to cite papers using Zotero in this video. For this, first you need to have all the papers added to your Zotero's library. For this demo, I have already added 4 papers related to my study on bamboo, and this is the research paper that I am currently working on. To cite papers using Zotero, you need to have Word plugin installed. Check this tutorial to learn about plugin installation. Click on Add or Edit Citation. Look for author name or publishing year or title and choose relevant paper and add. If you have to add multiple papers for a statement, first look for one paper, then for another, and add them together. It will automatically format the citation as per the chosen style. To add the full reference, click on Add or Edit Bibliography, and all the references will automatically be added. To change the citation or reference styling, click on Document Preferences and choose from the selected styles. And both the in-text as well as the full reference will automatically be reformatted. Now, if the journal you are interested in is not listed here, click on Get Additional Style. Here, you look for a specific journal style from over 10,000 different citation styles. The same will be added to Style Manager. But there is a small glitch. You cannot directly choose this style. You have to close this window and again click on Document Preferences. Now you can choose the newly added style from the Style Manager, and the citation will now be reformatted as per the selected style. Now let me show you how you can edit the citation. Place the cursor at the citation you want to edit and click on Add or Edit Citation. Here you can remove a paper or add another one. All the changes in formatting takes place in real time. Now here's another way to edit the reference. You can switch the view from list to library and you will now be able to view all the papers in this window. You can simply drag and drop the desired citation in the search bar and hit enter. The in-text citation and the full reference will automatically get updated. Zotero is the best and completely free reference manager supported by almost all the platforms. Its complete tutorial is linked below. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite reference manager.